Hi everybody, welcome back to Rockwell Process Consulting. And we're talking about the 10 easy steps to starting your own business. So step number 7 is creating your own business cards. And I've made my own business card here. It's got a front and a back. Use all the things that we've talked about so far. So the company name, the logo, phone numbers, emails, website, social media. You can put all of those things here on your business card, and then you can complete one more step in the process. One good tip I got from someone a long time ago is to make your card unique. And one of the ways to do that is to have something on the back. Someone, whenever they get a business card, you hand that to them. They look at the front quickly, they don't really read it, but they just look at it real quick. And the first thing they do is flip it over. So if it's blank on the back, they're likely to think, this is just another business card. It's kind of boring. But if there's something there, they'll actually look and see what it is. And for me, I've got a word cloud of, a bunch of different buzzwords on optimization and say cost savings, things like that, that are relevant to my business. So it's just something really interesting, I think, that grabs people's attention. So that's one more thing that you can do with your card. And then also I have it vertically. You can orient your cards differently. You can get different shaped business cards. You can get different sizes. So those are all things that you can do that are unique for your business card, just to get you a little bit more attention, a little bit more curiosity from the people that you're meeting when you're able to meet them. So one more interesting thing about this particular card is that it is a smart card. And what that means is on your phone, when you hand this to someone and they swipe it behind their phone, it pops up this little message. You can hit open the link there. And then it's got all of my information here, a little bit about my company, and you can just hit this button here and add to contacts. So it's a swipe, click, click, and all of my information will be downloaded to their phone in their contacts, so they don't have to go in and manually type that in by hand. That saves time and money, which is what my company is all about, being more efficient, eliminating waste, and creating more opportunity to do more things that drive value within the company. So that's from a company called moo.com, and I have a link for that I'll put in the description for a little bonus for you. If you decide to sign up for them, you'll get a credit and a discount, and then I'll get a little something as well for that. So I'll put that in the description. And if you have any comments or questions about the cards or how to make them, anything else about business cards, or any other things regarding your business, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to them as quickly as possible. And have a great day.